Today I want to talk about ARP, Address Resolution Protocol. So ARP is basically used to map a device MAC address to its IP address. So imagine, let me just explain what we have here. So we have two PCs or computers. This PC has an IP address of 192.168.1.2.1.1 and MAC address of all ones. And here 192.168.1.2 and MAC address of 222.222.222.222.222.222. So imagine we are going to send a packet from you are sitting on this PC and you want to send a packet to this PC. So imagine, let's say we're going to use a ping packet. So in the packet there will be our IP address, the source IP address of course, and the destination IP address, because we know the destination IP address, but we don't know the destination MAC address. So what happens is that this PC will send a ARP request. So in the ARP request, you will have the IP packet, the source and the destination, and the source MAC address. But of course we don't know the MAC address yet. We're gonna use the broadcast address, so the all Fs address. So what will happen is that all the PCs or the hosts on the same segment will receive the broadcast, except this PC, because the broadcast is originally from this PC, so the switch will not flag the broadcast to the port where it originally arrived or received on. So all the other hosts will just drop the broadcast because they're gonna realize that they don't have the correct IP address, the destination IP address, but this PC will say, oh, this frame or this ARP request is for me. So it's gonna do two things. It's gonna create an ARP table. Every device has its own ARP table. So it's gonna, like I said, it's gonna create an ARP table, and it's gonna list the source IP address and the destination MAC address. So, and it's gonna, and second thing that it's gonna do is it's gonna send an ARP reply, and that ARP reply will contain the IP packet as well, the source and the destination IP address. So the source IP address will be this IP address, and the destination will be this IP address, and the MAC address of course is this. The source MAC address will be of course this, and since we already know the MAC address of this PC, it's gonna list that as well. So this PC will receive that ARP reply, and it's going to create this table right here. So it's gonna have this table as well. So this is the the IP address of this PC and the MAC address of that PC. So the next time that this PC, or for example, we are going to ping this PC, the .1, .2, the switch will just forward the frame to the port where this PC is connected to. It's not gonna flood the frames, because the next time that this PC, like I said, will send a packet to this computer, it's gonna use its MAC address here, because it already knows the MAC address. So yeah, that's it for ARP. I'm gonna talk about other things like how a switch learn MAC addresses and things like that. So yeah, till next time. Bye.